Okay guys, so Apple just released the first iOS 26 public beta. To get this is easier than the iOS 26 developer beta. Just keep in mind it's maybe pretty buggy, but you get to use it before September. To download this is pretty simple. Just go into Safari. Type in beta.apple.com. The first time you do this, you're going to press sign up, but otherwise you can press sign in. Press on sign in. Just scroll down to the bottom, agree to the TOS. For a guide for beta software, just press on iOS. You see under Get Started, you're going to press on Enroll your iOS device. Do a backup if you haven't already, and open beta updates. Press on iOS 26 public beta. Just go back. Yep, go and update. Alright guys, thanks for watching.